A wnaeth y gweinidog roi diweddariad am gefnogaeth a ddarparwyd yn dilyn y cyhoeddiad I gau ffatri Rehau Amlwch.
We are continuing to provide full support. 4 all-day staff sessions have been held, the most recent being on the 3rd of June. Feedback from the companies and from staff has been very positive. They are being proactive in engaging across all options, including staff with professions considering setting up their own businesses.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Gai ddiolch am llythyr gan y gweinidog ar y 5 o Fehefin yn ateb e-bost gen I o'r 9 o Fai ynglŷn â chefnogaeth I economi Gogledd Môn. Mae'r gyfeiriad yn hwnnw at y tasglu sydd wedi cael ei sefydlu yn dilyn cyhoeddiad Rehau. Ddoi yng nghyd-destun y cyhoeddiad am ffatri Ford, mi glywson ni'r gweinidog yn deud y bydda fo am fynd ymhellach na'r model tasglu arferol oherwydd maint yr bygythiad yna ym Mhenabont, a dwi'n cytuno â hynny yn sicr. Mi fyddwn ni'n dadla bod cyhoeddiad Rehau ar ben y cyhoeddiadau negyddol diweddar ynglŷn â economi Gogledd Ynys Môn hefyd yn arbennig o ddifrifol yn enwedig o ystyried maint y boblogaeth yr elfen wledig ac yn y blaen. Felly mi fyddwn ni'n croesawu a ddewid I edrych ar mynd ymhell tu hwnt i'r model tasglu yn achos Gogledd Ynys Môn hefyd ac I chwilio I wneud buddsoddiadau arbennig mewn datblygu'r economi yno. Mi hoffwn ni ymateb I sylw ar hynny gan y gweinidog, ond hefyd ar y cwestiwn penodol o be fydd yn digwydd I safle Rehau, mi hoffwn ni glywed gair o gefnogaeth i'r syniad y bydda yr safle yn sicr yn cael ei adael fel gwaddol i'r economi leol mwyn sicrhau bod be ddiodd yn hub economaidd pwysig yn gallu parhau felly yn y dyfodol.
Yeah, can I address that point first and say that we are continuing to discuss with Rehau what future plans there may be for the site. It is an incredibly important site, and if it cannot be used for other employers or manufacturers as a key location, then we wish to ensure that it is used for alternative use, and that we get agreement from the company to use it in a way that serves the interests of not just the people who have been employed there, but also the wider community. And with regard to the police-based intervention in Bridgend, I took this decision to expand on the normal working practice when decisions of this nature are taken because of the huge financial contribution that Ford makes to the surrounding community, a £3.3 billion contribution per decade. The scale of that investment, of that amount of resource being lost, means that many businesses, many businesses, will have their futures hanging in the balance, and therefore a place-based approach is absolutely vital alongside the other task force operations. I would happily speak with the Isle of Anglesey Council about introducing a specific place-based focus in the work of the task force. I think it is absolutely essential, and I've said this to a local authority serving Bridgend, that it's absolutely essential the local authority comes forward with proposals for both stimulating the local economy, the community economy, and also for ensuring that it is stabilised through the difficult period of jobs being lost. It can't just be left to Welsh Government. We have to work in collaboration and partnership across all governments if we are to get the best outcomes for the people we all serve.